I came home starved, looking for something quick and easy to make, and this is what I made. So we got mushrooms, rice, frozen asparagus, and the rotisserie chicken skewers. I put these in the microwave for a little bit, then I decided to pan fry them or pan sear them a little bit with butter and garlic. This is success rice. This is just something I was freestyling. So I have scallions, a little bit of the garlic from the other thing, butter, the rice, black pepper, and salt. Basically it, frying it in the skillet. Got it?
I'm only getting a pan.
Okay. This is our first time trying this. It's the Good and Gather brand from Target. This is what they look like fresh out the packet, frozen.
This is so nice.
I put them in the microwave for a little bit. Then, of course, I put them in the pan to kind of get that brown a little bit more.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I chose to put sauce on half of them just to see how it would taste. Plate, good job. Can they see the plate?
Yes. This is what the thing here.
Keep showing it. I'm coming. You want to try mushrooms or no?
No, Mom. This is my lunch food.
Just take a little piece.
Hey, what?
You like that?
I want my drink.
On it?
Perfecto.
You don't like it?
Look at my nose.
You want to try another piece?
Yeah.
Oh, big piece, sorry.
Okay.
Mm.
Hit that subscribe button right here and make sure to comment. Bye. It was so nice. I love it so much. It was the richest thing I ever had.